enchanting day. Like the energy of the sun, the mystery of the moon, and the radiance of the stars, these five girls are here to shower us with their talents and charm. This is SMS.
meant to shine. We are SMS. Hi, I'm SMS Ariana. I'm SMS Amy. I'm SMS Nino. I'm SMS Selena. What's up, Galaxy? Grabe, Galaxy. 3 years na tayo! And we're so thankful to have each and every one of you. Bayuma girls, how are you feeling today now we are celebrating our 3rd anniversary as a group?
Grabe, sobrang saya. Parang ngayon lang napuno yung elders ng ganito karaming Galaxy. At ganyan kalakas na energy! Diba?
Tama. Mainit actually. Mainit siya. Pero kasi init ng pag-welcome nila sa atin.
Yes! I love it! Grabe! Pero feeling ko mas maitataas pa talaga yung energy nila. Tama ba, Galaxy? Ayan, just keep that energy up, everybody, okay? Pero yun nga, once again, we are very, very thankful na andito kayong lahat to celebrate our 3rd anniversary with us. 3 years ago, we started out our group and hindi namin naisip na magiging ganito yung celebration namin 3 years later. So thank you so much, Galaxy! Para sa inyo to lahat.
You're welcome daw.
Thank you so much!
Classic Gadgets Live here in China Kingdom every Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays, and also holidays.
Yes, and if you guys would like to be up to date with everything and anything SMS related, like our shows, events, posts, and content, make sure to follow us on all our social media accounts. That is at sms.ekpa.
Yes, so if you took any photos or videos from today's show, make sure to tag us at sms.ekpa.
Cause we would love to see you guys online. Okay, Galaxy? Malakas.
I think I can go a bit louder than that.
Louder, louder and more energy. It's about 1, 2, 3. Okay, Galaxy? Grabing taas ng energy yan. Kaya alam nyo, feeling ko deserve ng Galaxy makatanggap ng isang surprise mula sa SMS. Diba? Tama ba, girls? Deserve ng ating Galaxy? Alright! So for our first surprise of the night, ready na ba kayo? Parang di pa ready. Sabi ni Serena, parang di pa daw kayo ready. Ready na ba kayo, Galaxy? At dahil dyan, because we are celebrating 3 years as SMS and 3 years with our Galaxy, here is a special treat just for all of you. We'll be performing a new, unreleased, original song just for you guys. Dito nyo palang unang-unang maririnig itong kantang to. Galaxy, this is everything that you is magic.
It's crazy. Picture on my mind. I try to deny it, but it's hard. Got the cards to get my heart. Tear it apart, but I try to avoid you, but I see you everywhere. I see you. So bad. Hear it again. Thinking about you all the time. I want you here. I want you so bad. Oh baby, everything about you is magic. Can't help it. The times without you are just tragic. Oh baby, everything about you is magic. You bring the magic into my life. Ba't ba ako nagkakaganito? Ang puso't isip ko'y ditong-dito. Hindi ko lang ang sigurado. Sa'yong makita ako'y nabihan mo. Huwag na tayo nagmulat-mulagan. Tama lang ang takot-takuan. Sabihin mo ng iyong damdamin. Tuloy na ako namin. Oh baby, everything about you is magic. Can't help it. The times without you are just tragic. Oh baby, everything about you is magic. You bring the magic into my Ikaw lang ang laging nasa isip. Hanggang sa aking mga panaginip. Hindi na kayang mawalay sa'yo. Nararamdaman ko ay totoo. Oh baby, everything about you is magic. Can't help it. The times without you are just tragic. Oh baby, everything about you is magic. You bring the magic into my life. Oh baby, everything about you is magic. Kahit saan mapilas, sa'yo pa rin babalik. Oh baby,
okay? While the SMS are preparing for the special performance tonight, guys, nag-ready kami ng mga trivia question about SMS, okay?
Yes, but before that,
Okay.
try natin, kasi alam ko, sa K-pop may kanya-kanya tayong bias, right?
Siyempre naman.
K-pop,
Yes,
K-pop,
yes.
J-pop. Ngayon, tanungin naman natin ngayon, sino ang bias ni Jo?
How about Selena?
And how about Nina?
And how about Cyrene?
And how about Aliana?
Nakalimutan ko eh.
Okay, yeah.
So ayun guys, ready lang, standby lang kayo, okay? Nagpe-prepare lang yung SMS. At syempre, tulad ng sinabi ko, may ni-ready kaming trivia question about SMS. Kilala niyo ba ang SMS, guys?
Kilala ba na bang lahat?
Sigurado ba kayo?
Magsigawan!
Sigurado kayo na kilala niyo ang SMS? Sure ba kayo na masasagutan niyo yung mga trivia question namin about the SMS? Okay guys, kung ready na kayo, may nag-send sa akin ng mga tanong
Say din.
sa aking phone. Meron din sa'yo?
Okay, ako din meron din ako.
Okay. Dalawang pala tayo pinagsendan.
Ayan. Siyempre, sa trivia question na to, Henry, meron tayo sa bawat tanong na masasagot ninyo, meron tayong exciting prizes!
Yes, of course, ni-ready yan only ng SMS. Kaya ayun, guys, ready na kayo. Ang first question natin, trivia question. What are the names of the 5 members of SMS? Guys, wait na! Stand by!
Ay, ayan.
Okay,
Una na.
Pagbigyan na natin yung bata.
Ayan, una na. So, baby. Yes. First, what is your name? So, baby, what is the 5 names of SMS?
Joy! Cyrene! Nina! Selena! Aliana!
Okay, wait lang, baby.
Wow, wait, kunin mo yung papremyo natin. Nasaan yung papremyo?
Ay, yun na pala.
Ayun pala.
Nakalakad ako nag-transport.
Nakita ko sa
Okay, thank you very much.
Ayan,
Congratulations,
thank you.
baby. Okay.
Ayan.
Ay.
Okay guys, nag-ready kami ng 15 trivia questions. So,
15.
14 to go pa. Okay, Darren, take it away.
Okay, nawala
The
siya.
next one.
Okay. Yung face card. Siyempre kailangan ng face card. Okay, question number 2. When exactly did SMS debuted? Okay, debut. Kailan? Okay. First.
Okay, go. Ayan, hello po. Enchanting day po.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Asyo.
Okay. Nasa Koreana.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, question. When exactly did SMS...
Wait, ano na muna
Ano
natin
nga
yung
pangalan?
baka
Ano
sabihin
pangalan mo?
natin.
Siyempre, magpapakilala ako.
Hello po, I am AJ. Sorry po, usap.
Paus siya.
Hindi
Okay.
po ka namin pakakantahin. Okay, hindi po. Sasagutin niyo lang po yung trivia question.
Okay. So, question is, when exactly did SMS debuted?
At exactly 4:30 p.m. of May 1st of 2022, I was there. I've been waiting for 30 minutes.
Wow!
Wow! Eksakto pati mo oras, guys. Yan ang sinasabi ko, guys.
Yan.
Kilala niya ang SMS.
Solid Galaxy din to. Okay, congratulations!
Thank you. Ayan, guys.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, magaling guys. Kung alam niyo yung sagot, magtaas na kayo ng kamay. Okay, wag po kayong mahiya. May papremyo pong naghihintay sa inyo. Okay, down to the third question na po tayo. Trivia
Okay,
question.
third question.
What is the name of the SMS first single?
Okay, what is the...
Anyone?
What is the
Oh,
name?
sir.
Okay, ayan si sir. Yung nakaway.
Come up here, sir.
Come on. Let's go. Ay, sorry po. Okay, sir, what is your name?
Anton Curtin na po.
Anton, Sir Anton.
Sir Anton.
EK Hayan.
EK.
EK Hay nga ba? Siyempre tama. That is the
Okay,
first
EK
single.
Hay.
EK Hay. Side by side.
Hero Boy.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Anton.
Okay. Tuloy-tuloy na to. So,
Ang dami nito eh.
where can you regularly watch SMS at EK? Where?
Where? Saan nagpa-perform ang SMS?
Ayan.
Sa Enchanted Kingdom.
Ayan, diretso na siya. Okay.
Okay, hello po. Hello po. What is your name?
Let's see. Okay.
Lexi.
Basta.
Bangstang daw! Tama ba?
Bandstand is correct! Let's go! Thank you so much!
Ay, eto, magandang tanong to.
Ayan, go.
Ay, hindi pala. Kung sa bandstand sila nagpe-perform, when can you regularly watch SMS at EK? Ano naman daw araw? When? Okay, sir.
When? Ayan si sir. Let's go, let's go! Ayan, solid din to. Naka-t-shirt siya ng SMS.
Galaxy,
oh.
naka-SMS pa.
What's your
Siguro
name, sir?
Nathan po.
Nathan. Okay.
Nathan.
Nathan.
When? When daw?
When?
Kailan?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and sa holidays.
Okay! Fridays,
Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, and also
holidays.
holidays.
That's correct! Okay, thank you so much! And congratulations!
And Daryl, ako na rin magtatanong nitong pangalan. Gusto ko to.
Sige.
Eto guys, lately lang to nangyari. Okay? Yung question na to ha. Where is the last public exclusive performance of SMS? Kakaano lang nila, kaka-perform lang nila.
May lineup nila dito is...
Wala bang nakakaalam?
Yung mga sikat na singer, di
Oo.
ba? May lineup.
Special ano to? Concert to.
Concert
All-star
to.
concert. May kila kayo. All-star.
Ayan, ayun si ate, tumas ang kamay. Come on. Ayan. Let's go, ate. Ayan. Let's go, go.
Ayan, mga
Let's
kagalaxy
go.
natin. Come on.
Come on, let's go. Ayan, sige. What is your name?
Jaya.
Okay, Jaya. Okay, where is the last public exclusive performance of SMS?
Xiaomi Summer Concert.
Okay, Xiaomi.
Summer All-Star Concert is
Is correct! Okay, congratulations! Di ba? Ka-line up nila to, di ba?
SB19. Dun ka na dun. Uy!
May ganun sila, di ba?
Grabe.
Okay.
Eh guys, grabe yun. Kung may nakapanood sa inyo, grabe SB19 guys. Siyempre, pag napapanood nyo naman ang SMS dito sa Bansan,
Ay,
grabe
naku,
din
grabe din yun.
naman.
Okay, next question.
Pang 7
Okay.
na ba to, Larry?
Okay, pang 7 na to ha. Okay. So, sa mga nakakakilala sa SMS, may kanya-kanya silang color. Okay.
Ay, oo.
Yan.
Kita sa costume nila yan.
Who in SMS represent the color of yellow? Ayan! Sige, ayan. Ay!
Okay. Sige. Huwag kayong mag-alala sir, meron pa naman po tayo. Pito.
Ayan.
Okay.
Okay, sige. Anong nire-represent ni Selena na color?
Selena.
Okay. Ay, sorry. Nagkamali. Sorry po. So, ulit, anong color na yellow ang nire-represent sa SMS? Okay. Okay, Selena is correct! Nakakita naman siya. Okay.
Grabe, pasensya na po kayo kay Daryl.
Congratulations!
Nadala lang po si Daryl. Okay, next one po tayo. Kung sa Selena ay yellow, who in SMS represent color purple?
Okay, color purple! Ayan na!
Okay, now si
Okay,
Sir.
okay.
Okay, kids naman na si Sir. What is your name? What is your
Okay,
name?
later babies. Okay, so what is your name?
Purple pa, purple.
Simon. Okay, what is your answer?
EK SMS Zyrene.
Okay, congratulations. Thank you so much. Okay, next question. Who is SMS represent color blue? Ayan na.
Ay, kilala ko to. Kilala ko to. Guys, kilala ko to. Hulaan ko na kung tama ako ha. Ang name mo sir is Dion, tama? Ah, mali.
Ay, mali na.
Sorry.
Dayan siya.
Dayan na siya ngayon, hindi na
Oh,
Dion.
joke lang po. Okay, what is your answer?
Siyempre yung bias ko, Aliana!
Aliana is
Ayan is
correct!
correct. Come on. Okay.
Ayan, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Congratulations. Okay.
Oh, we're down,
Henry.
we're down to 5.
Okay.
Trivia question number
Last
10 na po ito.
Last 6.
Oo.
Okay.
Who is the SMS represent? Color? Black! Hindi, walang black.
Walang black.
Wala pa, wala pa ako sinasabi.
Oh, sige.
Wala pang black. Wait. Who is the SMS represent? Color green.
Color green.
Joy! Isang patak! Taga na sa mong sang katuta!
Joy is
Joy is
correct! Nice one, baby girl. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hindi lang naman siguro.
Okay.
Okay, apat na lang, Darin.
Apat na lang.
Oh,
So,
ikaw na sa
meron pa tayong hindi na natatawag about this
Meron pa, meron pa.
Okay. Who in SMS represent the color pink? Color pink, ayan na. Ayan na siya. Siya na lang. Ako na. Okay. Okay. What's your name? Z. Okay. Z, what is your answer?
SMS Nina.
Okay. SMS Nina is correct. Yes. Correct.
Diba? Ang dadali lang.
Okay, thank you so
ganun
much.
na, guys.
Congratulations.
Mamaya, may mahirap kaming trivia question na ipapagawa sa inyo. Okay? Ang third na to, ayun, ito naman.
Ayan na.
Ito, medyo mahirap-hirap na to, guys. Kung talagang kilala nyo ang SMS at napapanood nyo na sila, magpakita kayo sa akin ng selfie nyo. Tama ba?
Yes.
O tama, na may selfie ng one, kahit isa lang, na member ng SMS.
SMS. Okay, wala magtutulong.
Kasi
Isa lang,
sabi kayo,
selfie.
ha?
With only
Selfie,
one member.
nakasama kayo.
Only one member. Ayan na, ayan na. Ayan. So, yan. Ipakita mo sa camera.
Pakita mo sa kanila para
Ayan.
sabihin
Para makita.
Sino kasama? Sino kasama?
Ayan. Okay. SMS
Okay.
Selena.
Positive,
Yes.
positive.
Meron ka.
Naman talaga ang SMS Selena. Okay.
EK merchandise. Yeah, with
Ayan,
SMS.
thank you so much. Siyempre,
Congratulations.
SMS, thank you so much sa mga trivia question natin.
Siyempre, kung meron kang
Ayan na nga.
Yan. Kung meron kang one member, sino dito ang merong all members of SMS?
Lima.
Ayan.
Lima, kailangan lima.
Ayan, lima. Ang dami. Ayan, ayan. Ay, si Shobe. Okay, meron dito. Ito si Shobe. Ayan, nakatalikod ka.
Wait lang. Nakaano ka na ng video. Chinecheck lang namin guys. Welcome po.
Okay.
Okay, lima ba? Lima?
Shobe,
Lima,
okay.
lima.
Bilangin natin. One. Ano dito si Selena,
Kasi meron
si
din si
Sai,
Selena.
si Aliana, si
Oo.
Joy, and Nina, okay!
Wait lang. Kasi nauna si...
Oo nga eh. So,
Paano to?
Okay.
So, bigyan na lang yung dalawa.
okay.
Kaso kukulangin tayo. Sakto,
Ayan.
15 lang yan.
Sakto eh, sakto lang yung picture eh.
Ay, so, ayun na, ubos na. Wala na tayong pa-premyo.
Hindi, meron pa, syempre. Okay, congratulations sa inyong tatlo. So, yan, let's move on for next question.
14 na to, guys. Trivia question number 14, okay? Ito, what is the title of the song which will have a music video premiere tonight at 8 p.m. on YouTube? Ano daw yung music video?
Anong music video yun?
Na tonight,
Tonight.
ang premiere.
Meant to Shine is correct! Ayan. Meron na siya uling papremyo. Ayan.
Meron pa ba? Meron pa?
Meron pa.
Kasi parang nag-enjoy kami magpa-games eh. Siguro mga 100 prizes na parang
Okay.
Baka hindi pa ready SMS eh.
So,
Dapat
ito.
sa last na to.
Last question. Yeah. If you're a true galaxy, show us the choreo of the chorus of Meant to Shine. Ayan. Ayan, mamalik. Ayan.
Okay, naka-ready na tayo guys sa music na.
Ano ba
chorus
to?
lang yung
Secure
chorus.
ba yung camera mo? Okay, so...
Di, gusto
what
ko
is your-
ibaba muna natin kasi
Ah,
sasayaw
baba
ka.
ka.
Baka mamaya.
Sasayaw ka eh.
Para lang safe. Kasi malay mo, bigla siyang
Yan.
mag-enjoy, mapahataw siya.
Oo.
So, kailangan
ito,
makaganap siya ng
ayan.
maayos.
Tanungin muna natin kung anong pangalan niya.
What's
What's
your
your name? Janae.
Janae.
Okay, Janae, are you ready?
Kung ready ka na,
Okay,
DJ.
ready?
Music please.
Ayan. Pinatay din nila. Thank you so much. One more question.
And guys, I think ready na SMS.
May one more question.
Meron pa? O sige, mag-additional
Okay,
pa
one more
tayo.
question.
Pero guys, 15 lang yun. So magtatanong na lang kami ng iba pa. May naiisip ka ba?
Bigla ako dito.
Oo, kasi mandami pala pa premyo. Nagbibiro lang kami sis kanina eh. O sige, ano pang magandang question?
Okay. So, kung meron nakakaalam ng dance or choreo ng EK High,
Ay, meron pa?
EK High, one more EK High. Sino nakakaalam? Oh, Meta Shy na lang din. Siyempre yung girl is nakapagsayo na. Sa boys naman tayo maghanap. Boy!
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, di ka na, dali.
Kumakita nyo ang Menta Shy.
Meta Shy.
Mga galawan naman ni Sikas.
Okay, wala?
Wala na.
Ayan. Okay na. Pero,
Baka may isip eh. Wait lang. Sige, magtatanong ako.
sa SMS,
Okay, para meron pa tayong ano.
sa mismo tayong memo. Oh, yan, ayan.
Madali lang naman.
Okay,
Kasi
madali lang
sila
yan.
mga kanya-kanyang mga, kunwari, your rapper Nina, mga ganun. Eto naman, sino daw ang golden bunso ng SMS? Yung golden bunso.
Golden Bunso, ayan,
Yung
sino
golden bunso.
Mo, dali, si Golden Bunso daw. Sino daw? Ayan. Okay, what's your name? Jen. What is the answer? Sino nga ba?
SMS si Lina.
Selena? Selena is correct! Selena! Okay, thank you so much and congratulations! Okay.
Meron ba? Meron ba? Meron ba, Mi?
Okay, mukhang wala
Wala na.
Yan
Okay, I think ready na sila. Okay, guys. Once again, thank you so much sa lahat
Thank
ng
you.
nag-participate sa ating trivia question. At syempre, ito na ang pinakahihintay nyo. Once again,
The SMS!
Just always hold my hands. And whether ever near or far from each other, we would know that the magic lives on. Magic knows no time to behold. With all the stories and memories told, enchanting adventures unfold. A place we know, the dreams we call our own. We got love that's endless, a magic that is timeless. This feeling will never fade because our hearts will never ever change. No matter where you are, I won't be very far. Magic of being brings us together. We always got each other. This timeless magic is forever. Enchanted kingdom. Timeless magic is forever. Enchanted kingdom. Timeless magic is forever. Though the years pass, but enchanting memories always last. From the time we said hello, I've always known that magic is true. Destiny has brought me to you. It's a feeling we know that the place we call home. We got a love that's endless, and a magic that is timeless. This feeling will never fade because our hearts will never ever change. No matter where you are, I won't be very far. Magic of There's a house we can build. Every room inside is filled with things from far away. Special things I compile, each one there to make you smile on a rainy day. They could say it all sounds crazy. They could say we've lost our minds. But I don't care if they call us crazy. Run away to a world that we design. Every night and night in bed, brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However big, however small, let me be a part of it all. Share your dreams with me. You may be right, you may be wrong. Say that you'll bring me along to the world you can see, to the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes to see. The night alive in bed, the brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. Think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams is all it's gonna take. Oh, a million dreams for the world we're gonna make. For the world we're gonna make. I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want broken hearts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them bring me down. Just I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna come me down, I'm gonna stand up, gonna try to mount. I can break, I can bruise, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. This is brave, this is Bruce, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I go. And I'm marching onto the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me. This is me.
Once again, I am Aliana. I'm Jai. I'm Zairi. I'm Nina.
I'm Selena.
And we are SMS. But of course, the fun doesn't stop there. And because of all the love you've given us for the past 3 years, syempre, deserve ng Galaxy ng one more surprise! As you guys know, the music video for Meant to Shine premieres tonight at 8 p.m. on our official YouTube channel. But to all the Galaxy who made it here sa aming anniversary special, we have an exclusive advanced screening of our music video right here at the Eldar Theater. Ready na ba kayong lahat? Alright, Galaxy, we are SMS and this is Meant to Shine.
Sometimes it feels so small.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the music video for Meant to Shine. SMS, here's another one for everyone. So please stay in your seats.
Let's give it up for Sun, Moon, and Stars!
Jewel, Irene, Selena, Nina, Ariana. This is
Sometimes it feels so small, lost in the shadows of it all. But when we look up at the sky, remember that we're meant to shine. Minsan na nabigo, munti ng suko. Pero hey, kumapit ka lang, remember that you're meant to shine. When all feels lost and gone, just hold on. Like the sun, moon, and stars, we're made to glow from afar. Shining bright, shining strong, all night and all day long. Like the sun, moon, and stars, umiginang sa kalangitan. Remember that you're meant to shine. Be afraid to let your shine out. All this is what it's all about. So narinig halika na, huwag mag-alala. Like the sun, moon, and stars, we're meant to glow from afar. Shining bright, shining strong, all night and all day long. Like the sun, moon, and stars, umiginang sa kalangitan. Remember that you're meant to shine. We're meant to glow from afar. All night and all day
We'd like to thank Miss Marian Resho for making that video and the rest of our multimedia team. SMS, I'd like to invite you on stage to say a few words to the galaxy.
Joy, ikaw una. Thank you po. Unang-una po sa lahat. Thank you po sa pagdalo po sa 3rd year anniversary natin. Kasama po ng Galaxy. Salamat po sa suporta. Walang hanggang suporta. yung grabing suporta at pagmamahal niyo po sa amin. Thank you din po sa mga EK family. Salamat po sa pagbilib niyo po sa talento po namin. Salamat po dahil nagkaroon po kami ng second family dito. And syempre, thank you so much girls kasi paano to? Hindi naman naging sisters ko kayo as in nagta-thank you ako kay Lord kasi nagkatagpo tayo. Ayun, salamat din nagkatagpo tayo sa Enchanted Kingdom, everyone. Ayun lang, sobrang grateful ako sa experience na to, na nadama ko to sa buhay ko. And sana
na-inspire din namin kayo sa paggawa ng gusto namin at sana magawa na rin yung kung ano man yung gusto nyo gawin sa buhay nyo. Kasi syempre, isa lang naman buhay natin, hindi naman tayo pusa. Kaya ayun, sana lang magbuhay. Masaya talaga na nagagawa niyo yung gusto niyo sa buhay na to. Yan. Basta magawa natin ang purpose natin. Ayun. Good luck sa buhay, guys.
Nahiya ako eh. First of all, guys, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat for being with us today. Thank you dahil inalat niyo yung time niyo para i-celebrate natin itong 3rd anniversary natin. And thank you sa mga patuloy po na sumusuporta sa amin. Simula pa lang nung una hanggang ngayon, nadadagdagan tayo na nadadagdagan. Parami tayo ng parami. And sana habang tumatagal, mas lalo tayong tumitibay, mas lalo tayong dumadami. Sana samahan niyo po kami sa mga susunod pa naming mga gagawin sa buhay. To many more years, guys, maraming salamat kasi kahit hindi naman pare-parehas yung best namin in every shows, pero nandyan pa rin kayo. Sinusuportahan niyo pa rin kami. Kayo yung nagbibigay ng lakas sa amin na magpatuloy. And kayo talaga yung nagpupush sa amin na gawin yung best namin and mag-explore pa, to learn new things. And ayun, talagang ginagawa lang namin yung best namin dahil gusto namin itong gawin. And syempre, para din mapasaya kayo and ma-inspire kayo. Kaya thank you so much, guys. And mahal na mahal namin kayo. Sana mag-stay kayo. And sana mas dumami pa tayo. Yun. To many more years, guys. Love you, guys.
Ayun, thank you, Zai. First off, happy anniversary! 3rd anniversary of the Nalimutan ko yung number. But thank you guys so much for coming here today. Some of you came from far away. But thank you so much for all making it here today despite your schedules and everything. Thank you so much because your love and support means so much to us, especially even if we're performing the same songs every weekend. Every time we see your faces, it always reminds us what we're doing this for, which is to make others happy and to really spread the magic here at Enchanted Kingdom. First, I would like to thank, of course, yung EK team. Let's all give a round of applause to our prod team, to our wardrobe team, the tech team, Sir Yoni and Miss Kang. Thank you so much for always being there from the very start, from Brooklyn to Badstand to here. Hey, we made it! So, I wag na yung Brooklyn, sige. So, thank you so much for all of your love and support. No matter how early yung call time, no matter how late, we're still all together. We give each other energy, and thank you so much for that. We would like to also thank our families who are here today. Thank you guys so much for always being with us. And of course, thank you to our Galaxy. Thank you for always supporting us and loving us. Thank you for streaming our songs, yung mga repost ninyo, yung mga edits ninyo, ang cute-cute ninyo. Kaya it really gives a smile to our faces every time we see you guys, both here, on site, and online, because it really reminds us that we're here to spread the magic and continue to shine a light in others' lives. So really, I can't wait for us as a mess to go on more stages, to produce more songs. And thank you also to our SMS girlies. 3 years na tayo magkasama. Oh my gosh! Grabe yung pinagdaanan. But throughout the highs and lows, we're still strong together. And we can't wait to spread more magic and more years. And can't wait for more anniversaries to come. And the 30th anniversary of EK. Hey, abangan nyo yan! Yes, but let's always stay strong and shine bright. Because we're all meant to shine. Thank you guys!
Wait lang, hindi talaga ako ready sa ganito. Pero firstly, I want to thank God for this wonderful talent, for this wonderful blessing na makasama ko sa ganitong grupo. Thank you so much, Lord, for all the blessings na binibigay niyo sa 3 years namin as SMS. I'm so beyond grateful. Another thing, I would love to shout out my parents. My mom is at the back. She's literally thank you, Mama. And syempre kay Daddy. Ay, wait lang po, Mami, payak ako dito.
I want to thank my parents because they really pushed me to be the best version of myself. Wait lang, ayaw umiyak! They always push me to be the best version of myself, even if
Pag minsan tinatamad ako or ayoko gawin pag minsan, pero they're always there to push me and to show me na I really am capable of doing such things. So thank you so much, Mama, and thank you so much to Daddy because he was such a big supporter of SMS, and I know right now na nanonood siya, and I know na inaabangan niya palagi yung mga shows namin. Siguro nandito siya ngayon, tapos nag-cheer siya, nararamdaman ko na nandito siya, kaya I'm so beyond grateful to have my parents na palaging sumusuporta po sa amin. Every single show they're there, so I love you, Mommy, I love you, Daddy, thank you so much. I would also like to thank my friends and my hip-hop teachers. They're there right now. My other friends are not here today, but I'm so beyond grateful to have my friends to support me, even though last minute actually na-invite ko sila, kaya sorry na lang. I would also like to thank the Galaxy. Syempre, we're not all from Laguna, so I'm so beyond grateful that you guys took the time out of your day to make it here. It truly, truly means a lot to us. Siguro hindi lang namin ma-express right now ng maayos, pero we're so blessed and we're so grateful na even though, yun nga, same lang yung kinakanta namin, or pag minsan nagkakamali kami, pag minsan, but still, besides that, you guys are there to cheer and you guys are there to yell for us, and that really boosts our confidence and our energy on stage, and that truly, truly means a lot. Syempre, I would also like to thank EK kasi when I was 9, they gave me the opportunity to perform on this very stage, and still, after the pandemic, na nabigyan pa rin nila ako ng opportunity to perform as SMS. Kaya thank you so much to Enchanted Kingdom na they gave me a stage and a platform to perform on, and because of them, I got to meet so many amazing people, and I got to be beside my wonderful sisters. Kaya thank you so much as well to SMS because I definitely pushed myself and I definitely tried to become a better version of myself because of them. And ayun nga, thank you so much sa inyo, and just know na I love you guys so much, and abangan niyo pa rin po kami sa lahat ng mga gagawin namin, whether it's inside the park or outside the park. Yun lang po talaga. Thank you so much, and I love you guys.
And before the last words of Aliana, I would like to thank I would like to thank my family who are here and my sister who came from Hong Kong is here. I would like to thank my family who is here, and of course to our amazing choreographer and creative director, Miss Maricar Ramon, and of course to my wonderful and of course to my wonderful dad who has always been there for us and has been fighting for us, Serioni! Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. So, thank you, love you.
Alright, nakasan po natin music, ang ganda po. Para mas ma-feel natin dahil ito na nga, ako na po yung last magbibigay ng message. Pero parang feel natin yung moment na to. But yes, of course, happy 3rd anniversary sa aming SMS. 3 years ago, siguro when we started out sa show namin, we never really pictured na magiging ganito yung 3 years after na we have an actual show to celebrate us, diba? Yung hindi nang basta mag-perform kami, but we're celebrating us, SMS, and kayo rin, Galaxy, for being with us for the past 3 years. So, syempre, sobrang thankful po namin sa mga naniwala since day one kasi literal, alam namin na meron ng mga Galaxy na since our first show, nanood na sila up until now. So, it's been 3 years with you guys. Maraming salamat for sticking with us. And of course, gusto ko rin magpasalamat to everybody who's been with us through this journey. Everybody from the Enchanted Kingdom creative team, the whole Enchanted Kingdom for supporting us and believing in us. Kaya hindi naman namin magagawa itong ginagawa namin if not because of their support and yung push and pag-guide nila sa amin. Siyempre, thank you so much po sa inyo. And because of SMS, ako rin, myself as an artist, ang dami ko na-explore. Siyempre na-enhance yung aking singing, dancing, performing, and na-push din ako sa aking songwriting skills. Thank you so much to EK for giving me the opportunity to write songs for a group, and now these are songs na napapakinggan ninyo, na-enjoy ninyo, and I want to give a special shout out to my friend Mark Atienza! Siyempre for being willing to work with us, SMS, and all the music that we've created, talagang, buong puso namin ginawa, and ngayon maririnig na just like Meant to Shine, Timeless Magic, and of course we have the Eclipse theme song sa new ride na Eclipse, and yun ang aabangan ninyo aming newest song, Everything That You Is Magic! Yes! And of course, I want to give my thanks to my mom who's always with me. Palagi nandito, syempre si Mommy, the greatest
Mama Joanne, the best na sumigaw sa aming mga shows kahit na wala nang sumasagot kay Joy sa kanyang okay. Talaga si Mommy and si Mommy Tere ang sumasagot sa kanyang okay! Ayun! And of course, thank you so much to Miss Kang and Sir Yoni for guiding us all throughout and for just always believing in us and for reminding us also to always pray before you slay. Kaya of course, ang huli ko pong pasasalamatan, our Almighty God, thank you so much for blessing us with the gift of life, love, SMS, and Galaxy. Maraming salamat. Happy 3 years, SMS!
All right. So, because we don't have an anniversary song, we'll just play this one. So I'd like to ask everyone here at Elders Theater, let's all sing happy anniversary to SMS.
Today's your special day, and we are here to sing a happy tune for you. So make a wish, it will come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
Make a wish, girls. Together, guys. Sige na po kayo, Miss Rhea and Miss Malou. Thank you so much, of course. This is all for you, Galaxy! Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat! Happy anniversary! Once again, I am Aliana! I'm Joy! One more. Once again, I am Aliana! I'm Joy! I'm Zaymi! I'm Nina! And I'm Selena! And we are SMS! And 1, 2, 3, thank you!
Once again, happy 3rd anniversary SMS. And to those who want their pictures taken with our girls, please fall in line accordingly.
Wait, everyone, wait. Can you stay in your seats? We'll take a photo.
Ay, oo nga! Picture tayo with everyone!
Okay, rewind.
Guys, abangan niyo pa rin yung music video later 8 p.m. sa YouTube, okay?